Hey guys, running this slider for Kevin, game 1434, Usagi Yojimbo, book, timestamp 7:06 and 7:06 on Monday the 24th of January 2022 here in WA. I've grabbed the list, so we got 124 Michael up to spot number 1, which is another Michael. And 124 is Michael Tawney, and up to 1 is Michael Broncos. Alright, let's roll the dice. Oh, it always freezes on this dice section. 3 dice. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good luck, everyone. Contact Kevin when you've seen this. 124 items, that is correct. So, second roll. Third roll. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 8 times 4. Sorry, 5 plus 4 plus 1 is 10. 2 more to go. Second last one. And last one. Oh, I didn't see that. Don't know if anyone else did. 10 times. 10 times. Let's go with the list and find a winner. Winner is Morris. Got a fair stash out of Grail punters, mate. Congratulations. Timestamp 7:09. 7:09. One last look at that. Morris in the first spot. 10 times. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thanks, everyone.